Central Australia could become Australia's next oil-producing region, with the prospect of rich reserves waiting to be exploited. The first tap has been turned on, producing nearly twice as much oil as expected on the first day. Explorers say it's just the beginning of what's to come.
The first tap on Central Australia's oil reserves at a well aptly named Surprise Number 1. Central Petroleum had expected 400 barrels a day.
We got 764 barrels a day in the first 24 hours.
The plant is about the size of a farm windmill, and for now they don't even need to pump the oil out. Underground pressure is pushing the high-grade crude to the surface.
That's the beauty about Mother Nature. If you can use her force, then it's quiet and clean.
The fact of the matter is no one really knows how much oil lies beneath this red earth, but what we do know is the basin is roughly the size of France and has the geology to hold the kind of reserves which are found in Texas and the Gulf of Mexico.
There could be a lot more because it's incredibly underexplored.
That could mean much needed local jobs with an agreement to take on local Indigenous staff.
We avoid the principal fly in and fly out. We'll be getting people from Kintore, which isn't very far away from the fields.
So far, 1 out of 5 people permanently on site is from an Aboriginal community.
Sooner or later we'll have maybe up to 8 or 10 young Aboriginal guys out of the communities.
With the highest point there, which I believe's that pegs over there, is it? We might go and have a look.
But those jobs could be available soon. The company is preparing to drill a second well and says another good discovery would justify a pipeline to Alice Springs.
That means that you'd rail it, possibly, to Darwin. And from Darwin it would then be exported to Singapore refineries.
For now, this Tapper's crude is trucked to a South Australian port and exported. So far, less than 1% of the entire basin has been explored. Robert Herrick, ABC News, Kintore.